Okay, I'm starting to rebuild it, and got quite a mess here. I forgot to order one gasket, the gasket for in here, when I ordered my stuff. So I found some suitable gasket material and cut myself a gasket along with using the Dremel and a compass. And I had asked Dave's Farm, actually, if Dave's Farm on YouTube, if you haven't heard of it, what to do with the needle bearings, how to retain them enough to get everything together. And he said put grease in them, and that's what I did, and that worked beautiful. But I'm putting it all together. Now, next thing I'm going to do is put the exhaust gasket on. So, and then I'll put the head gasket on, and the head, there's the head. And then I'll mount it to the upper unit. So I've got the head on. I've got the intake on. That's where the carburetor goes. I have smeared grease around the shaft, the magneto plate. And I'm going to take a little pin. That goes in there. This goes on this direction. Oh. Those of you guys like to see what's going on. And this drops on. There. This is the cam lobe. You can see it says top on there. Drop the cam lobe in.
Dad, your supper's done.
And there's the ignition together, except for the bolt in the bottom. It's bolted all together. It goes in there. In there. Now that I've got the plate on there, I can put the carburetor on. This is really hard to do with one hand. The carburetor on there. Nuts will go there and there. I can do this with one arm, one hand. Get that. And for the other side. Get the wrench. I'll have to put the camera down to tighten him up. Alright, next comes mounting the engine. There's a 1.5 horsepower engine for you right there. Look at that. Oh, a tiny little thing. Oh. It's all together. This will be the second start. Yeah, there was a little leak over here. There was a little leak right there. Just a little one. It ain't leaking no more. That's where the exhaust comes off the side. Wonderful start the way I started it before.